You're watching How Leap. Let's fix Instagram not working on iPhone. First, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data. Next, update the Instagram app. Go to the App Store, search for Instagram, and tap Update. Restart your iPhone. Hold the side button and volume button, then slide to power off. Turn it back on, then check for iPhone software updates. Go to Settings, General Software Update. Install any updates. Clear the app cache by offloading. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Find Instagram, tap it, then select Offload App. Reinstall it from the App Store. Check your date and time settings. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time, and ensure Set Automatically is on. Finally, check if Instagram's servers are down using a site like Down Detector. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.